Welcome to another Kevin's English School's English learning video. Today we explore Japanese pronunciation of English words. Have you ever wondered why Japanese people pronounce certain English words differently? It's certainly not out of lack of effort or understanding. The reason lies in the very structure of the Japanese language and its unique phonetic system. In the Japanese language, syllables are formed differently, and there are sounds in English that simply do not exist in Japanese. This can lead to certain English words being pronounced in a way that may sound unusual to native English speakers. For example, the word salad may sound more like salada, or and may be pronounced as ando. These differences are not mistakes, but rather the result of trying to fit English words into the Japanese phonetic structure. Understanding these variations is the first step to learning and improving English pronunciation for Japanese speakers. So, with this foundation set, now let's dive into some examples of commonly mispronounced English words by Japanese speakers. When English words find their way into the Japanese language, they often undergo some changes in pronunciation. Let's delve into a few specific examples to understand this better. First up, we have the word salad. The Japanese version of this word often sounds like salada. The correct pronunciation, however, is salad with a short A sound in the second syllable, not a. Next, we have the word and. It's quite common to hear this pronounced as ando in Japanese, but in English, it's simply and. The D at the end is more pronounced and there's no O sound following it. Moving on, we find the word moment. This word can often be mispronounced as momento in Japanese. The correct pronunciation is moment with a silent T at the end. There's no O sound after the T. Let's now turn our attention to the word thigh. This can sometimes be pronounced as sai in Japanese. However, in English, thigh is pronounced with a th sound at the beginning, not an S. Make sure to put your tongue between your teeth to get the sound right. Lastly, we have the word lemon. This word is often pronounced as ramon in Japanese. The correct pronunciation, though, is lemon, with an L sound at the start, not an R. Remember, your tongue should touch the roof of your mouth to make the correct L sound. These are just a few examples, but they illustrate a pattern. English words often change when they're adopted into the Japanese language, and this can lead to mispronunciations. By being aware of the common mistakes and practicing the correct pronunciation, you can start to sound more like a native English speaker. It's important to keep in mind that language learning is a journey. It's not about perfection, but about progress. So don't be too hard on yourself if you make mistakes. They're a part of the learning process. By being aware of these common mistakes, it's possible to improve pronunciation and sound more like a native English speaker. So, how can Japanese speakers improve their English pronunciation? The first step is to immerse yourself in the language. Listen to native English speakers, whether it's through songs, movies, or podcasts. This will help you get used to the natural rhythm and intonation of English. Secondly, practice pronunciation exercises. There are many resources available online, including tongue twisters, phonetic charts, and pronunciation guides. By consciously working on the sounds that are difficult for you, you'll gradually improve. The third tip is to use language learning apps. These apps often have pronunciation guides and they allow you to record and listen to your own voice, which can be a powerful tool for self-correction. Above all, remember the importance of consistency. Practicing a little bit every day is far more effective than cramming in a lot of practice all at once. Remember, practice makes perfect, and every step you take gets you closer to your goal. Mastering a new language is no easy feat, but every journey begins with a single step. Today, we've embarked on a fascinating exploration of English pronunciation, specifically focusing on common mistakes made by Japanese speakers. We started by identifying some typical errors, like salada instead of salad, ando instead of and, momento instead of moment, sai instead of thigh, and rimen instead of lemon. Remember, it's all about practice and patience. Don't let a few slips discourage you. Instead, use them as stepping stones to perfect your English speaking skills. The key is to keep trying, keep practicing, and keep learning. And while you're at it, don't forget to enjoy the process. After all, learning a new language is not just about getting the words right, it's about connecting with a whole new culture and its people. No matter where you are in your language learning journey, keep going. You're doing great. And with each word you learn, you're opening up a whole new world of opportunities. Until next time, happy learning.